42% of CEOs believe their companies won't survive in the next decade unless they change course. Today's business environment is defined by constant disruption and accelerating change. Markets are shifting, technology is evolving, customer expectations are changing, and it's clear the world we live in is going to push us not just to optimize. We must reinvent. Now, reinvention is when an organization embarks on a bold journey to take advantage of those market changes. Maybe they reimagine their strategy. How about changing a business model, digitizing their operations, or redesigning their customer experiences, all with the goal to unlock new paths of growth and profitability. The urgency to stay competitive is real, and reinvention becomes the difference between leading in the market and being left behind. While transformation might optimize what already exists, reinvention allows us to fundamentally reimagine our business. It challenges where we take our legacy operations. We use our unique strengths to change our business trajectory, all with the goal to unlock new sources of revenue. So when you look ahead, where's your next opportunity to reinvent?